In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to evolve the new Gen 9 starters in Pixelmon. So, what I want to show you is, first of all, most people say like the Sprigatito. I've got that here. You can see up here. I'm going to throw it in here. So, he's been sent out. He's right here. Now, I'm going to use this Candy XL. And you can see I'm doing this on it, but it's not evolving it at all. You see I've ranked it all the way up to 33 right now, and it has not evolved. And the reason for this is because right now these cannot evolve. They're not available to evolve in the update. I don't know why. You're gonna have to wait until the new update for them to evolve, but that's the main issue with it here. So even if you use these ones, he's still not going to evolve, which is annoying, but that's just gonna have to wait for now. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below. That helped. Thank you for watching.